Hello, there friends, how are you guys doing? Today we will see how you can create a mobile app for free without coding. Now as you can see, for testing purposes I have just created an app by my channel name through which anyone can contact me for promotion. This is for demonstration purposes only. As you can see, there are two options, one for emailing me and another one to visit my channel. Many of us want a custom app for promotional purposes or for their business, but don't want to pay extra or don't know to code for creating an app. This is the solution for them. You can create an app through that customers can book appointments, purchase items, pay for services, and many others. And this takes only a couple of minutes to create. You have to go to the website JotForm, and over there hover your features. And from drop-down click on JotForm app. Now on the page, you will see Get Started Now. It is free. It will state Create App and will show you three options for that. Start from scratch, that means from a blank page you can add all the elements and stuff. Or use templates that are provided, you can also change any item or element over there. Or if you have a previous build app you can clone existing app. Now I am going for the use template one as I can change anything over there. There are lots of category and templates to choose from. Go through them and select the one you like. I am just choosing the first one as it's only for demonstration. Now as you select any template it will show how it's going to show you, how it will look on devices. Now if you are happy, click on the use template. On the right hand side you will see App Designer and on the left hand Add Element. Now on App Designer you have two options, General and App Layout. App Layout will change the layout of your app. Go through the different options to see which one you like. Now on General you have options to select or change options like Color Scheme, where you can select different color schemes. Now on App Background Properties. You can change the background image, font color, or font. As you can see, you can change the logo by uploading yours. Change the name and replace it with your brand name or company name. Now when you add any element or click on any element it will show settings and options for that element on the right hand side. Like for social follow properties, I will add the links to which I want to show and delete links from others so they will not show on the app. Now clicking on the button I will bring its properties and change the button text which will show on the button. You can assign action to button like visit URL, that means it will take me to the given link. Send email, as it suggests it will open email app with given email it as recipient. Make call, it will call the provided number by your side, so the customer can call your number. Navigate to the page, that means pages from your app. Open form, to fill up by customers. Now on App Elements, you can add basic elements like heading, paragraph, link, form, documents, and others. And you can also include some widgets. You can preview your app as you are building to check how it will look on devices. After you are done creating your app, from Build go to Settings. There you will see app name and icon, change them from there. After setting all the things, go to Publish. You can share this app via link or QR code. First time the app will open in any browser and then ask the user if they want to add to home screen, and then the app will install on device.